In this tutorial, I want to show you how to write a Java Swing web application, which shall be platform independent and running as a fat jar on all systems, and which can be packaged with JPackage to run as a self-executable on all platforms. So we start with Netbeans in its version 23, and we use also Java in its version 23. You can write this application also in Java 11, but remember, packaging is only implemented into the Java JDK in OpenJDK starting from Java 14. So we generate a new project, Java with end, and the project is a Java application, and I will name it as Swing Example. So we have no problem to find it later in my GitHub account. I will generate a GitHub account and will write also further descriptions in it within the next days. So this is our fundamental project. What we see here is the package name Swing Example. We can see the class Swing Example, that is our class where we have also our starting public static void main. Public static void main starts the application in this case, and while we want to generate an application with, let me say, modern look and feel, we will also add a look and feel. We add here Flatlaf 3.5.2. Flatlaf is a look and feel which is generated by the formdev.com. There you can find the download link for the jar file we are using here. When added the look and feel, we can also add now the import. In Java, when you want to add something like this, you need to import the library. What we have done now, it's complete, and then we want to implement the loading of the library. So I am using the UI manager, set look and feel, and a new flat darklef. And so we have it ready. Why it is marked as an error? You can see here, he wants you to add a throws clause or surround statement with try catch. Why is this so? Java want to have at all file operations the security that errors are catched, and here we will write starting code later. Now we add a JFrame form. We call it swing form. And what we want to do today is writing a swing application which can read a text file and write a text file. So first we need, like for every application, an exit button. We need write button, and we need a read button, and we need also a text area where we want to store our content, which we implemented now. And really important, we need to enable line wrapping, so the text is not going only in one line, but breaking at the line end and starting a new line here. So first action event we want to write is the exit. So we write here system.exit 0. That is a normal exit condition for a Java program. Back to design. We also do now here adding action event, making a bit more space so we can see it better. Now we have a small problem. We need to read the file, and to read the file we need to implement this. This we do with files.readString. That's the fastest method. But how we can do it? First we implement a JFile chooser. Spelling mistakes are included. Generating it as a new object. So we show an open dialog. We make it really simple. You could do much more, like file extension filters and so on. We do all this at this moment not because we want to show you how to write a rudimentary application to do this job. So we need to read the file now. So now we can say we generate a string content, and now files.readString pass is chooser get selected file and to pass, don't forget, and again here surround with try and catch. Now we can say the jtext area dot set text content. That's the first one we have to write. The second one, we want to write the content we generated here. And we see here is one error. What is going wrong here? Variable needs to be initialized. In this case, I will do it like this. So we are here to read and write. So now the write condition. First we need a chooser and we need a save dialog. Now we can say immediately spelling mistakes included. The path is chooser get selected file to pass right string. So hence we have no options in this case. We can set up here jtext area1 dot get text and again we have to surround it with try catch. Now we have to do one real important thing. When we generate a JFrame with Java End, he sets the look and feel automatically to Nimbus look and feel. We are removing this part while we generated another look and feel, what we done here. Hence we have also a public static void main in our JFrame form. It will start the JFrame and set it visible here. To start it from our public static void main, which is, let me say, the program controller, we can now say here simply swing form dot main, and hence we have no arguments. We set the arguments to null. Let's try what happened when we start. So I will read a file, open, and I can write the file. I can write it with the same name, or I can say I want to write a new file. So now I can read version before. This application now can be built. I will click now on build and clean. And as a result, when we look on it in Finder, we will find here a distribution swing example.jar and the library folder. Put this both together on a computer with Windows, macOS or Linux, and you can start it. Really simple. It is now platform independent available. In a further tutorial I will show how to work with JPackage to place this as an install file for Windows, as a DMG file for macOS and as a DAB file for Linux. Thank you for watching.